Hey everyone, it's Mari. Welcome back to the channel. Today's the start of an exciting journey. I'm flying to the US. But before I take you there, we will have a stopover at Taoyuan International Airport in Taiwan. So grab your virtual bags and let's go. All set and ready to go with my passport, travel pillow, snacks, the works. My ride's here, so let's head out and make our way to the airport. As always in Metro Manila, traffic is unpredictable, but that's part of the adventure, right? The key is to leave early so you don't stress. Pro tip, always give yourself at least 3 hours before an international flight. My flight leaves at 12:40 p.m., but I headed out at 7 a.m. Finally at the airport, first stop, check-in counter. This is a long-haul flight with a connection in Taiwan, so I am allowed 2 pieces of luggage weighing 23 kilograms each and 1 carry-on. A smooth check-in always sets the tone for the trip. So I made an online check-in, so all I had to do was pay the travel tax and drop off my luggage. Immigration can be a little intimidating, but as long as your documents are in order, it's quick and easy. Security check done. Now time to go to the waiting area until boarding time. Boarding time. Remember to always keep your boarding pass and passport handy. This will expedite the verification process being done by airline staff before letting you in. Window seat secured, but I had to pay for it when I booked my flight. Up in the air, the takeoff from Manila is always so beautiful, especially if you catch the city lights or sunrise. I'll try to get some rest for the flight. And we've landed safely in Taiwan. Taoyuan International Airport is one of Asia's busiest hubs. Super organized and really traveler-friendly. I'll have a short layover here before continuing on to the US, but I'll take you around to see what the airport has to offer. I've got a few hours before my connecting flight to Chicago, so I'm exploring a bit. First, I wandered through the themed waiting areas. Taoyuan is known for its creative spaces. There's a Hello Kitty lounge, a tranquil orchid garden, and even an aviation-themed play zone for kids and the young at heart. Before heading to my gate, I checked out the duty-free shops. From unique Taiwanese snacks to high-end gadgets, there's something for every traveler. A quick stretch and some window shopping later, layovers can be exhausting, but a great airport like Taoyuan turns it into a mini adventure. Next stop, the long-haul journey to Chicago. So make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss it. Until then, stay smart, stay safe, and stay curious. And thank you for watching. Mari here, signing off.